In this video, I wanted to let you know how to get started on Screencastify and start recording videos that you can use for teaching. First, you're going to want to search out Screencastify. It'll immediately take you right here. It's a free Chrome add-on. You'll just press this, add it to Chrome, and what will end up happening for you is that you'll end up seeing a sticker that's going, or you're going to end up seeing up here this icon that you find right there for Screencastify, and that's eventually how you're going to log it or to start it on your browser. If you sign in to Screencastify after you download it and then you sign into Screencastify with your EWSD email, then it will automatically get you set up with the level of the license that we have already purchased. So I'm recording right now in Screencastify now, so we actually can see how you can move around. There are different options you can do with it. When you click on something, it will kind of give you a little red thing to kind of highlight what you're clicking on. It will also, you can use a pen and you can mark things, so you can circle and highlight. You can change those colors, so you can use that for highlighting different things. You can but then you can also edit pieces later on. So recording is a piece of cake, where you just turn this on, and it will come up with a menu where you search your microphone, your camera, whatever piece that you're using, and you press record. And when you're done, you press stop. Immediately, it will pop up a screen where it shows you your video kind of running through. You can unmute it and hear it. You can trim it down as it's uploading. You can trim it down on the ends, and then you can open up an editing software piece that's embedded into it. It's automatically saved right to your Google Drive under Screencastify, and you can access it right there. But in that editing page, which of course I can't show it to you right now because it will stop, but well, maybe I can show you this actually. There you go. You can bring up any one of these videos that you may have already recorded, and you can start to edit it at a certain level. You can cut snips, you can add stickers, you can add different pieces and data on there. I will warn you, when you start doing editing and putting in different headers and things like that, you triple at least the amount of time that you are with editing. If you want to make a quick video like this one, like I'm showing you right now, it's a piece of cake, and you can just do it very fast. Give me a shout if you got any questions.